So first thing we're going to take a look at is basically audio mode. And audio mode allows you to play MP3 files and WAV files. So as you can see, it's at audio mode. Right here we have the track info list right here, which gives the name of the artist, the song, the title, the time, and the time remaining, the response, and the bit rate of the MP3 audio file. And also, as you can see on the right hand side right here, we actually have a new section which will be available very soon, which will be high res audio. So users will be able to stream high resolution audio directly from this player. So not only is it an audio player that plays MP3 files, but it also allows you to stream audio content directly from one application. And not only that, but it also allows you to view web content online. So basically this audio player would be known as our network player. So we're going to take a quick look to show you how it functions. So now we are going to go to Sound Machine. And Sound Machine is basically where you are going to be able to stream audio content directly from our network and our server. As you can see, we have a list of audio tracks and artists, and in the future we will have more artists. But as you can see, to basically listen to an artist, you just scroll down till you see the player right here, and you click the play button, and you can listen to, audio tracks that are streamed off our network online. As you can see, we have, different categories. We have electronic music, alternative, jazz, and more soon to come, and pop. So basically, our next feature that we have in this audio player is called the Hub. Click on this, and there we go. The Hub is actually our inside content where you can view, everything that is happening with us, whether it's, we are working on new loudspeakers or we're working on new software applications. You can find it right here in the Hub. So we basically have the Hub built into our audio player. So again, you could use just one software application and one program to access all this online content. And not only that, but you will also be able to download software applications and portable apps directly from this audio player. And this is something that we have, really took time and really worked on to make it, very efficient. And just to, make a single source when you can, stream audio, download music, download software applications, all from one source, one software application, which is seamless. You could go from audio player to Hub to Sound Machine, which is just a seamless interface. And we're going to show you. So if you want to go back to playing an MP3 song, you just click on audio player and there you go. And if you want to go to our streaming service online, you just click on Sound Machine and there you go. As you can see, the transition from audio player to streaming network online is seamless. And you want to go to Hub, you just click Hub and there you go. So the interface is really seamless. So for example, if you are listening to a MP3 track and you want to pause it real quickly, there's two ways you can do this. One, you can hit this button right here, which is basically the pause button, which also works as a full controls where you can fast forward, play, pause, and go back to your track with this one button. Pause it and there you go. Also, if you want to pause this song using a different application, you could just hit the cover mode right here. You hit this and you could go to covers and it will pause the track as well. So you have two ways you can pause your audio track, either by using covers or by just using the pause button on the default player. So to go back, all you have to do is click the center icon and there you go. You're back to the track where it's playing. And We also added a CD player. So for those who are using this software application on your PC that has a optical drive, you can actually listen to your CDs as well. So we decided to include this application, since there are still users who have optical drives in their PCs, or who just wants to listen to their audio CDs using their PC. So this function is still here. And of course, we have audio mode, which brings us back to the MP3 player. And what we also have our original default audio player, our classic player, which it is now known as. To access that, you just click on this little icon right here on the upper left-hand corner, and you will be taken to our original audio player. So, if you want to go back to our classic player, you can. And to go back to our current player, our 2023 player, you just click on the icon again and you are back. And another feature I want to mention too, we actually have skinnable players now. So if you do not like the background or the skin of this player, you can switch it by just hitting this button right here. And there you go. You can change the background. If you don't want the background to be animated, you could go to just a simple background like this. And to go back to the previous background, you just click on the button again, and there you go. So yes, we will be adding more skins to this player. So that's pretty much it. Some of the basic functions that our brand new 2023 player has. And of course, as time goes on, we'll be updating this player, adding more features and more interfaces, and also more skins to this player. So basically what you're looking at right now is our default player for the rest of our MODVO App applications. And we're not really sure if we're going to include this player in a MODVO App 3.0, because our MODVO App 3.0 is a different player from the ground up. But for the rest of our players and 2.7, this is going to be our default player for the MODVO App. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.